It sounds insane.
Alright, here we are at the back of the MK5 Supra. We got our custom exhaust built, finished out, and I'm going to walk you through it. Looking at our stock exhaust, you can see right from the downpipe, it flattens out through here. And from that flattened out section, it goes straight into our secondary cat. From there, it has many crinks, bends, and flat portions as it navigates through the differential to the back box. Here's a better angle of it removed from the car. Looking at it from the rear, you can see just how big the muffler really is. We designed our exhaust to mount up to all the factory Supra locations, with the slip joint at the front mating with the downpipe and the factory mount locations near the transmission and the two at the muffler ends. We used two 3-inch vibrant resonators downstream from the Y pipe, all connected with 304 stainless steel 3-inch diameter 0.06-inch sidewall tubing. This was all TIG welded in our shop, the CherryGarage in St. Louis, Missouri. I'll show it all mounted up under the car right here. As you can see here, we stick with the dual tip design. We wanted to make this easy, go to a stock car, stock bumper. A lot of people like the dual tips. You'll notice right away there is not a giant muffler in the back, so you're losing some weight and you're getting a lot better flow right there. As we come under the car, these are still just opened up. Through here we snuck in two small resonators, and after that it's all just straight 3-inch. You come down to here where you would have our Y pipe. From that Y pipe, it's just a 3-inch all the way to our downpipe. So aside from the less restriction of having no secondary cats or mufflers, we maintain that 3-inch diameter all the way through. Through the stock portion of the exhaust, you get flattened out through here. And as you go towards the back of the car, there's a few other instances where it gets flattened out. Worst of all, as we get past the differential and axles here, there's a lot of odd bends and restrictions to the airflow that are eliminated with this race exhaust. So we're going to start it up and show you how it sounds.
Wait, that you can hear the turbo out of it. It's sick. Do it again.